Why do 70% of audiobook fans still prefer human narrators? Let's dive into the battle between AI and human voices in audiobooks. Audiobooks are booming with over $2 billion in revenue just last year. And with this growth, AI-generated audiobooks are making waves. Platforms like Audible are rolling out these AI-narrated books, promising speed and cost-effectiveness. But are they really up to the mark? Human narrators bring a unique touch to storytelling, emotional depth, pacing, and an irreplaceable connection with the audience. Professional narrators argue that AI just can't match the nuanced performances and the authenticity of a human voice. Sure, AI is advancing, but can it capture the magic of a gripping thriller or the warmth of a heartfelt memoir? With more listeners tuning in, the debate intensifies. Will AI ever completely replace human narrators? Or will we always crave that human touch in our favorite stories? Stay tuned as the audiobook industry evolves, but for now it seems like humans are still the heroes of our stories. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. End with your watermark everythingaboutaBooks.com.